All right, so why was this site built? A couple of days ago, I was trying to book a vaccine appointment for my mom in the state of Delaware. Delaware just launched phase 1B trials for people age 65 and older. And as you could probably imagine, it was a really frustrating process. Went through a circuitous registration and ended up on this awful page. So what you do on this page is you select a location near you. I should mention, if you don't know how to get to this page yet, I'm going to have a longer tutorial video that you can reference. But anyway, I'm on this page, and what I'm doing is selecting a date and selecting a time. Uh, as you could probably imagine, for something high in demand, there aren't going to be any slots available. So I get no feedback as a user. I don't even know if the site's working. I'm just blindly changing dates and times. And then I can change one of 38 locations, go through all the dates and times. I only get a 1 week span. This is pretty rough, right? I felt pretty hopeless pretty quickly. So that all this site is an aggregator to show, all this site is an aggregator that shows all of the available locations, all of the available slots. So you at least get that sanity check. You know, right now, as of recording, slots are hard to come by. If I go to Delaware, oh, look at this. As of recording, there's actually an available slot that just popped up. Today's January 27th. So this is what it looks like. The available slot is immediately promoted to the top of your list. January 28th, 536 Main Street. I can jump over to Walgreens. Let's see if this actually works. I'm going to type in 536 Main Street. And I want that to be in Delaware. Yeah. Hold on a sec. Wilmington, Delaware. Okay, that'll show me this location, of course. It's the nearest by. And then I'll see January 28th, 3:40 p.m. And look at that. I can book this. I can go to continue. I'm obviously not going to book this because I'm not 65. I'm just showing you this for the purpose of the demo. It'll ask you about this dose 2. Not advice, but I would say just book the dose 1. My mom had her vaccine yesterday, and it was very easy to book dose 2 after that vaccine was administered, because that's a month from now. So I'll say no thanks, I book later, and then I hit that confirm appointment button, and I'm hooked up with my vaccine. So it worked in this case. If I had booked it, it might not be available anymore. I'll refresh the page to check. Looks like it's still available. All right, so that's what it'll look like. You know, different zip codes get different results. Walgreens or Duane Reade or other subsidiaries of Walgreens have to be nearby. Here's San Francisco, where you get a lot of available slots. You might not be so lucky in, you know, let's say Manhattan, but it depends. You know, sometimes they'll pop up in the early afternoon to early evening. So that's all. And tutorial video will be linked below.